In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Snapchat. I'm actually going to show you two ways to do it, and it's really quick and really easy to do. So what you want to do is go to your Snapchat, and the first way I'm going to show you is to go to your stories, and you can go ahead and pick anyone that you want to block. So I'm just going to choose this one here, and what you can do is actually just go ahead and click on the top left here. And then from here, you can go to the three dots at the top right, and you're going to get some options here. And we could just hit block, and then go ahead. It'll ask you to confirm. You can hit yes. And that's how you would go about blocking someone through your stories. Or if you want to go through their chat, this is probably one of the more common ways to do this. So I'm just going to go to my chat. I'm going to click and hold the actual conversation, and you'll get some options here. And what you want to do is go ahead and click manage friendship, and then go ahead and block them this way as well. So you can go ahead and hit block, and that's how you do it. That's how you would go about blocking someone on Snapchat. Hope you guys found this useful, and we'll see you in the next one.